Welcome. So this news comes on the back of the European Medicine Agency's recommendation for approval of Takeda's dengue vaccine candidate TAC-003 for the prevention of dengue disease. This is the first time the EMA has simultaneously reviewed a product that is designated for EU member states as well as non-member countries of the EU under the EU Medicines for All program. This program is intended to ensure that the innovative medicines addressing significant medical needs which target the greater interest of the public should be made available in the European and global market with greater speed while avoiding duplication of efforts from regulators. Dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease that spreads rapidly around the world and was one of the World Health Organization's top 10 threats to global health in 2019. Dengue is mainly spread by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes and to a lesser extent Aedes albopictus mosquitoes. It is caused by any of 4 dengue virus serotypes, each of which can cause dengue fever or severe dengue. The prevalence of individual serotypes varies across different geographies, countries, regions, and seasons. Recovery from infection by one serotype provides lifelong immunity against only that serotype, and later exposure to any of the remaining serotypes is associated with an increased risk of severe disease. Currently, there is no antiviral therapy available on the market for eradication of dengue infection, and most of the existing measures focused on developing a better mosquito population are not very effective in preventing infection. There is a vaccine on the market, but Takeda's dengue tetravalent vaccine shows higher levels of protection in youngsters and adults. Because of this, there is both a local and global unmet public health need. The safety and efficacy of the current dengue vaccine has been determined in 19 clinical trials that involved more than 27,000 individuals between the ages of 15 months and 60 years. This includes 4.5 years of follow-up data from the global pivotal phase 3 tetravalent immunization against dengue efficacy study, TIDES trial, consistent with the World Health Organization's recommendation to obtain 3 to 5 years of follow-up data after the completion of a primary dengue vaccination in order to most accurately assess safety and efficacy. The research findings found that TAC-003 tetravalent dengue vaccine protects against fever, severe disease, and hospitalizations caused by any of the 4 serotypes of the dengue virus. TAC-003 has been generally well tolerated, with the most frequent suspected adverse events after being administered this vaccine being injection site soreness, headaches, muscle pain, and a general feeling of unwellness. On the news of the positive opinion from the EMA, this is what Gary Dubin, MD, President of Global Vaccine Business Unit at Takeda, had to say. "We are one step closer towards the approval of a dengue vaccine that could benefit many of the millions of individuals around the world exposed to dengue. This is a major moment for the global health community, European countries, and the dengue endemic countries that participated in the EU M4all procedure." If you did like this episode, take a look around the channel as there is plenty of interesting advancements in the biopharmaceutical sector we have covered and more to come. Thank you for watching. You've been watching Events.